All right, everyone. So as you can see on the screen here, I have $659.51 on this particular account here on Adsterra. Now I'm going to show you or review to you what I have been doing to earn something good on my Adsterra account. And this is super easy. You don't need to stress yourself. AI is going to generate everything for us, and by the need of our time, we can also go ahead and start making money as a beginner on Adsterra. This is basically using our direct links for free to make money on Adsterra. Now, if you're new to Adsterra, let me say Adsterra is a powerful online advertising network that helps you to make money by simply sharing your links and also advertising with your product. Now, first thing you simply need to do is just go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel. Like this particular video, leave a nice comment, and don't forget to share this video with others. Also, turn on the notification bell in order for YouTube to send you a notification whenever I drop such an amazing content just like this. Now let's dive into the video and show you how this is done. All right, so first thing first is for you to just open a new tab. Of course, you can try this with your mobile device and search in for Canva. All right, so search in for Canva. Now once you open Canva, you can see Canva right now. You use the first link. Of course, you can get the app. So once I have the app here, I'll just go ahead and open the app straight up for you guys. Now once you get to the app, come to the search engine at the top here and search in for banner. All right, search in for banner and click on enter. Now once you search in for banner, there are a lot of templates you're gonna use. So what you're gonna use is just click on blank space or blank banner. All right, so it's gonna give you a lot of template where you can go ahead and edit whatever you want to promote with a very simple strategy right now here. Now at this section here, we are going to get used to a lot of templates for our work. Now whilst we are waiting for this particular template for it to load, because due to networking, all right, so it's in right now, so you can see a lot of templates right now here. Now what you're gonna do here is we are going to promote how to make your first $100 on the internet. All right, so your first $100, so you're gonna look for something related to how to make money online. Now once you're scrolling through, you get to find something similar just like this. All right, how to make money online, or how to make money with your first, or how to make your first 100 UXDT. Now this is what you're basically going to do. Now once you get this image just like this, you can come to the element aspects here and add something like this to your work. All right, so something like this, all right, to run through your work, or you can just leave it just like how to make money online. Now once you get this thing particular here, which is reflecting to what you want to promote, just click on file and come to the down aspect here, click on download button at this section here. Now once you get the download button, make sure not to select or save this particular thing as a picture, but save it as GIF, which is the short clips with no sound, and just click on download button here. Now it's going to take time to download everything for you, just as easy and super fast too as well. So whilst you're waiting for it to download, all you simply need to do, just go up to your browser and search in for Google Docs. All right, so this is Google Docs. Search in for Google Docs or Google Documents. Click on the first link you're gonna see on Google Docs. Now if you're really enjoying this particular video, I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop such an amazing content just like this. Now once you open your Google Docs, this is what is gonna pop up for you. All right, a very nice homepage which we are going to work out with. Don't worry, because we are literally going to do everything with the help of AI. All right, so don't worry. Okay, so what you're gonna do here is to come to DeepSeek. All right, DeepSeek is a new AI which has been launched new, and I think it really helps you. So first of all, the reason I'm using DeepSeek is it's very fast, super fast. It's a new AI, and I want to try it and see how DeepSeek actually works. All right, so what you're gonna do here is to open your DeepSeek if you don't have one. All right, so once you get to your DeepSeek, I'm trying to prepare my area for my work. All right, so this is where I'm gonna start working. All right, so let's get back to our DeepSeek. So this is DeepSeek. What you're gonna tell DeepSeek is to write a unique Google searchable title about how to make money online. What people can search to, or what people usually use to search about how to make money online, is what you're gonna ask DeepSeek. So what you're gonna write is write write the unique, let's say write the unique Google searchable searchable title titles about how to make money online. All right, so something like this, and click on enter. It's going to take time to write something very spectacular for us to start working with how we can make money with this particular strategy. Now you can see it is really generating something very cool. This is super fast and also give you a very good accurate results, and they are also very good. AI is really moving forward. All right, so once we get this, let's get back to our Canva and see whether it's all right. So we can see we need to download this, and then all right, we are good to go. We've already downloaded this from our Canva. Let's get back here. So you can see a lot of titles right now here. So 10 proven ways to make money online in 2024. How? Like we are in 2025. So how to earn 100 how to earn $100 a day online, simple strategy that works. Top side hustle to make money without investing. From 0 to 1000 USDT, a step-by-step guide to make money online. Best online job for strength, and many more. So go ahead and choose any of these titles you prefer. So in this case, I want to use, let's say, number 3. All right. So what I'm going to tell DeepSeek is to write an article for number 3. All right. So write an article for number 3. All right, and click on enter. All right, so once we click on enter, it's going to take time to process something very spectacular for us. Now once we are also waiting for it, let's go to a new tab and also open how to make money online. All right, how to make money online. All right, how to make money online, and let's click on it. Now what you're gonna do here is to just save up some images you can use later in your work. All right, so here are a lot of images you can go ahead and use. All right, so I want to download this one. All right, so I'll go ahead. So I want to also go ahead and download this one. I'll go ahead. All right, I'll go ahead. I want to download this one. I'll go ahead. All right, so I've downloaded 3 images. All right, so what you're gonna do here is to come back to your DeepSeek to see if it has been able to write it for you. So you can see it is still writing. All right, so what you chose was top side hustle to make money online without any investment. That's number 3. All right, so that's what you chose earlier. So top side hustle to make money online. All right, so you're gonna copy this. Okay, copy this thing and come back to your work addict section here, which say Google Docs. All right, so what you're gonna do here is just paste this. All right, so you paste this. All right, you paste this, and you highlight it, you make it very bigger. All right, you can make it very, you can make it very bold, very bigger. All right, something like this, very spectacular, very good. All right, so you can see top side hustle to make money online without any investment. All right, so this is what we basically have at this section right now here. So what you're gonna do here is just scroll down and make sure to get back to your DeepSeek, whether it's our finished right now, whatever you just prompt the AI to write. So you can see I think it's done. So you're gonna copy all of these. All right, so what you're gonna do here is just copy all of these. Okay, so once you're done with the copying, all you simply need to do is just highlight this and then copy it, come back to your work, and then copy everything here. All right, so you copy everything here. All right, oh, so you can see this have also been bolded and also, all right, so let's do this. So let's highlight everything and then bring everything down. And all right, so we're gonna bring everything down. All right, so this is what you have here. Okay, this is what I literally have. What we have here, so you can scroll through and see our work is very neat right now here, but we are not yet done, because here is where we need to perform our magic and really start working up with something. Now if you're really enjoying this particular video, please go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel. All right, so I'll go ahead and highlight this and then make sure to make this one very big, a little bit. All right, this one a very big a little bit. Right, so you can see this is our topic at this section right now here. So we are writing about top side hustle to make money online without investment. Now we downloaded some pictures, so let's go and then pick up these pictures. So you come to this section, say upload from computer. Right, so come here and then copy this one and then bring it up here. All right, so you have this one here. All right, so I would like to take it, I would like to, okay, so I have this right now here. So what I'm gonna do here is to, you can see the text is within the picture and we don't want it in that way. So what you're gonna do here is to just go ahead and make this one a very little bit smaller here. All right, so we had another picture too, you have to insert it elsewhere, so we bring it somewhere here. All right, so you're gonna bring the picture to somewhere here, click on upload image. All right, click on upload image. So you download this picture to bring it somewhere there. All right, so you have this one to here. All right, so you're gonna come to this section too and then download a picture, pick up a picture and then put it somewhere here. All right, so this is what we are basically going to do. This is where you're going to perform our magic, and then they need to stay focused with this particular trick. Now the next thing you're going to do here is to come back to your Adsterra. All right, so this is your Adsterra. So just if you don't know Adsterra, just type in Adsterra. It's going to take you to this section, sign in as a publisher. Now I have a full video showing you guys how you can sign in as a publisher. So I'll come here and just log into my account to show you guys how you can enter to Adsterra. So this is my demo account. What you simply need to do from this session is to come to your direct links, direct links, click on direct links. So once you click on direct links, it's gonna take you to this section which says add direct link. All right, so if you want to add direct link, just click on add here. It's gonna tell you adult or mainstream. Basically adults have to do with adult content, or your link is going to show adult ads, something like gambling and other ads which are basically meant for adults. But for the mainstream, it's not going to show something like adults. All right, it's going to show you simple ads that you used to see on your normal screen. So I'm gonna click on ad, and automatically within some few seconds you're going to get different direct link, but I would like to use this one. So click on copy link. Now once you copy link, come back to your work, and what you need to do is to just highlight this work here, this text. All right, once you highlight this text, come to this three dots right now here. Now once you highlight this particular text, all you need to do is just come to this insert button. You can see insert, right. So what you have to do here is to just click on this and then paste it inside here, click on apply. All right, so your link has been embedded in this particular picture. All right, that's what you're gonna do. So come to this sector, click on embed here and just insert in your link at this section here, click on apply. All right, so that's what you're gonna do, and come back to the last one here, do save to the picture. All right, so come to this aspect and then click on this, put it inside here, because I like to use the, all right, so I think we have to copy our link again. All right, I don't want my this account, so I'll come here and then copy this. Okay, all right, so insert it inside here. All right, so that's what we've done. Very nice one. And then I think live tweet this one. Okay, so we've done that too. So what you're gonna do here is to just come to this section here. I would like to add different picture, or I would like to add different picture and just use this one. All right, once I'm done here, I'll click on that, insert in my link. All right, so what you're gonna do here is just write something here. Okay, write something here. So click the image, click the image for more. All right, click the image for more and just highlight the whole of this, and then make it italic. You can even go ahead and use the bold effect to add it to this particular work. All right, click the image for more. All right, this is basically what we've been able to create about side hustling to make money online. This is what we have in our work. This is very nice and this is very good. All right, so I think we can start with something. Now you can even go ahead and add the picture one to the bottom of the work. All right, so you can make it very more attractive. Now this is what we have here, and I think we are good to go. Now once you are done with your work, you can simply click on the preview to watch your work or get to know how your work looks like. So this is how my work looks like with the preview form, and I think I'm good to go. Now we are to save this particular work into our phone or our laptop or whatever we have so that you can proceed with this particular video. So once you want to save, just come to the file here and just click on this button which says download. Now, what format do you want to save it? I want to save it in a PDF form. I want to save it. So I want to save it in a PDF form. Okay. So let me save this in a PDF form, and it's gonna show me a way to download this particular image into my gallery or into my main desktop. All right. So once you are done with the I'm trying to download, I think it's not straight up. So I think it will pop up. All right, so I can see my download at this section here. You can see, all right, so I already have the PDF format here. All right, so this is my work. All right, so this is my work right now here. Very amazing. This is what we've been able to do so far. I think we've done well. All right, haven't we? Of course we've done well. We have actually done well. So let me save this to my work. Let me save it to the download aspect here so that I can access it very easily. All right, so I have it already in my work. So let me come back to we are going to monetize our work. Okay, this is where we're going to monetize our work. All right, so once you come to Facebook at this section here, come to your home button and then make sure to target how to make money groups. All right, how to make money online. All right, so make sure to target how to make money online groups only. All right, that's what you basically have to do. So how to make money online, this is what I'm trying to show you guys. All right, so come here, click on more and go through the groups. So how to make money online, I think this one is public with 10K members. Click on that. So what you want to do is just, we are not going to join this particular thing. All right, we are not going to. All right, so once you locate how to make money online groups, come to this section which say write something, and just come to this aspect which says add to your post. What you want to add to your post. All right, so I want to add a file. All right, so just click on choose file and go ahead and select what we just downloaded earlier. All right, so click on open and it can you can see it right now here. So it say you can post whilst a file is uploading, so we have to allow it to upload. All right, so this file have to upload which says free guide. Okay, free guide, a very basically free guide for you. So once you allow it to upload, so I think my work has been uploaded, so free guide, and click on post. Now it's gonna take time to post this for you. This one does not have to do with any spam. Right, so there is no spam related with this. So you can see free guide, you can add some cute things to your work. Right, so once the person tap on it, it's gonna tap on this particular link here, it's gonna take the person to a different page where the person can start reading this. Since this is the Google form of work, we are not going to get the access to read it in your word or whatever. We are going to get access to read it online. So once the person start tapping on the image, then you start earning something. But you can go ahead and embed your links in your text. All right, something like your titles and whatever, you can embed your links in. All right, so this is what has been working for me, and I think it's cool. So I would like to help you guys start making money with this cool strategy and help yourself out there. And thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and I hope to see you in my next video.